Hi, this is Nikhil, founder of RentEasy, even the developer and the CEO too. I'm 16 years old from Hyderabad studying 12th standard. This is what about me. If you want to know more about me, you can find out my Instagram and LinkedIn profile in the description. Now, this is just an introduction video about me and my startup. I started RentEasy in 2019 October and published in 2020 April. So I didn't made any video till now, but from now I'm going to make different videos and live discussions with small startup founders. Mainly I'm going to make videos on RentEasy future updates and how to use the app, tutorials on how to use the app, and rental news, and even comparison between owning a house is best or renting your own home is best. I'm going to make own house versus rental house videos, and even so I'm going to share you some tips on how can you earn and save money by renting your properties, and even I'm going to share my startup journey. So if, I'll tell you some tips from my side, because I have faced many things while building the startup, even though it is not successful till now, but definitely I learned many things, so that is very useful for me. So I'll share you the tips, making videos and live, etc., many more. So for all this, please stay tuned to this channel. Even you can follow us on social media. I'll provide you the links in description. Even I'm going to make videos in Telugu, Hindi, etc. languages, so it will be useful for many people. Tutorials on your own language. What will be in the next video? In the next video I'm going to share you a tutorial on how to post your property in RentEasy. It's free, it's for free. You can post your property, so I'll tell you the tips, and even it will be more useful for property owners. So I'm going to share more tips, and even not only posting in RentEasy, I'm going to share some personal tips for property owners. It will be very useful, so please stay tuned for that video. Finally, one thing, if you have any questions or queries or any issues regarding the app, even anything, you can contact me directly. So you can find my contact details in the website renteasyindia.com. I also provide it in the description. You can also comment in this video. I'll definitely check it and solve your all issues. So if you have not installed the app, so you can install. I have provided the link in the description. And for more videos, please stay tuned to this channel, subscribe and follow us on social media. This is for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.